Thanks for being with us on Tissue World TV, continuing with our series of interviews from the expert presenters who've been presenting over 3 days with us here so far now at Tissue World in Milan. Day 3's session was primarily about technical things. In the technical session 4, our next interview is with somebody who presented again a really good story on efficiencies and savings. So I'm about to introduce you to Paolo DellaNegra, who's the manager of sales at Valmet. And nice to have you with us, sir. You were talking today at conference about an amazing code-generation project, really achieving great efficiencies and savings. What has Valmet been doing? What was your presentation about?
Basically, we started with cogeneration since 1990, so we have a long experience in this, together with also Solar, that is a supplier of turbines, gas turbines. And so there was an informal collaboration with them, and we have developed during the years this concept of cogeneration, and so today we have presented this advantage regen concept. That means that we have the full integration of the cogeneration into the tissue mill. So we are using all the energy coming from the turbine, not only to generate electrical energy that goes to the paper mill, but also to dry the paper. And so we can save a huge amount of gas and have a really big impact also from the environmental point of view.
The concept of both electrical and thermal in cogeneration is really well established.
Yes, sure.
But you've pushed the boundaries on this now, taking it a stage further.
Sure, because we have this technology where we can basically keep switched off all the gas supply to dry the paper, and we use all the thermal energy coming from the cogeneration. And then is a very integrated system, so the efficiency of all usage of the energy is very higher compared to all the common processes in the cogeneration, of course.
By getting involved with the gas turbine exhaust, for example.
Yes,
which is an amazing way of re-looking at something. You're feeding...
We feed directly the hood and the air system to dry the paper. So we use the thermal energy that we have there, that is a perfect level of temperature for the process to dry the paper, to do this. And then we use what is coming out from the hood and the air system to generate also the steam that is needed to complete the drying process. And so it's really a complete process, closed, with the completely independent from the energy point of view, because the gas turbine generates all the energy that is needed for the mill, and this is the best way that we can use the energy in order to have the higher efficiency, and so do not waste any energy to the environment at the end.
Which is fantastic, and that's the big buzzword right now, isn't it? Efficiency. Everyone's looking for savings. Now, you've gone beyond theory on this. You've actually partnered and actually applied all of your thinking into the real world. Where have you done that?
We have done in many mills. The last one we have shown an example in Lucart here in Italy, where we have switched from a common way to see the cogeneration to the advantage regen concept with very good results, very high efficiency, and they get a lot of savings in terms of gas, and a lot of they also here in Italy have the possibility to have some government incentives, because they have really high efficiency now in the full process. And I have to say, of course, that the collaboration together with Solar is really important, because we can really build for the customer tailor-made solution, because every machine has its own history. So you have specific consumptions that are different machine by machine.
Of course.
But together with our technologies, we know very well how we know the drying process. They know very well the generation of energy, and putting together this, we are really a step further in order to improve the efficiency, and that's the goal that we have achieved.
So beyond cogeneration into collaboration, and achieving some great results from Valmet's perspective.
From Lucart was a clear example. We work together with the customer, with the solar turbines, and we provide the drying systems. And so putting together all this knowledge and the needs that have the mill, we've built the best solution that we can have.
Fantastic. And more power to you, or should I say less power to you?
Okay, less power, but we are very proud of this, of course.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you very
for
much.
being with us
Thank you
on
very
Tissue
much.
World TV.
Thank you.